Good morning, everybody. Lone Wolf Rick here, and it is an absolutely gorgeous Wednesday morning here in Las Vegas. At the start of this video, it's about 8 a.m. and 65 degrees already. It's supposed to get up to about 90 today, so Las Vegas's version of spring is here. Take a look here. It's like behind the Tropicana and all this demolition equipment that they got here. Take a look over there. It's like back towards Mandalay Bay and everything. Hope everybody's had a great week so far. This one is Hump Day Wednesday. I saw when I was walking back here near this area of the property, is like they were removing a lot of the trees and stuff here from this back side. It's like it around the side here. It's a really slow start to the week. Yesterday at the strip here, it's like it was really pretty slow. It wasn't even a lot of foot traffic out and about. For those of you that don't watch my shorts, I usually try to post one every 2 or 3 days, but I did one of the strip yesterday at noontime to show like foot traffic and the car traffic along Las Vegas Boulevard. And it was pretty thin pickings. See this guy back here, this thing's like doing some tree removal. Now, a lot of these low level areas, like this parking structure here, and this building back here, and then the maintenance shops and everything, they'll just tear those down, kind of like what they're doing towards the original hotel rooms. It's just two-story buildings basically, or single-story buildings, and they'll just come through and tear them down, and the towers and stuff will have to go through an implosion. Which date they still haven't really released an actual, it's going to happen on this day. At least I haven't seen it on the internet yet, so. See the work they're doing here in the front. It's funny. I'm really surprised that they're just kind of like, basically just tear the trees out like that. Those trees, those palm trees here in Las Vegas and stuff have a real heavy value. I mean, they're worth quite a bit of money, and I don't know what what it is now, but a lot of these tall ones, like you see along the strip here, or even this back here, used to be something like it was like $100 a foot or something like that. So there's some serious cash back here. But you know, I guess when you're talking multi-million-dollar projects and stuff, that's just a drop in the bucket, I guess, huh? But you would think it's like maybe a landscaping company or something that's like would have tried to buy those palm trees so they could turn and flip them, you know? I mean, if I was a small business and I owned a landscaping company and I could afford to buy a few to where you could turn them and flip them, I sure would give it a shot. And I guess that's the businessman in me, you know. As long as your head keeps calm. Turn the generator on. See this road construction, they're still working on water pipes and stuff. It's like, you know, through this area here. I mean, this excuse me, everybody. This part of the strip up here is in really bad shape. I don't know if you can see all the divots and rivets and potholes and you know, everything is like along this part of the strip here. But they got different little sections that they're working on. Of course, like everything else, it seems to be a slow process, you know. In the middle part of the strip got fixed up really nice, where it's yeah, where the Formula One race ran. They redid all that road and everything, and it's actually, I mean, very nice. But this part of the strip here is just, I mean, even just walking across, it's like, you know, the crosswalk back there. Now you got to be careful so you don't twist an ankle. Some of those divots are in pretty bad shape. But I'm sure they'll get it done eventually. They'll put the sign up that says your tax dollars at work, you know. See underneath the porte cochere there and stuff, they get that all like fenced off now. If you saw like one of the videos I did where I was kind of walking by there. So you can't go under the porte cochere anymore, you know, to get up to near the front to just kind of look at the door, you know. But that makes sense. I mean, you know, with everything here in Vegas, it's like eventually somebody would try to break in. And to be honest with you, I'm probably surprised it hasn't happened yet. Look how shiny Leo the lion is over there. You know, realistically, they only take the brass polish to him about once a year. But man, when they get him cleaned up, it's like, I mean, he really has that brass shine to him, which is interesting because then as time goes, it's like, you know, thing with the, you know, weather and wind, the dust and everything. You just never realize how dull he actually becomes. Just a fantastic morning. It looks like they're bringing in some cabling. And the cabling's going someplace anyway for some of the work they're doing along the road here. And you can see over here, it's like they just got the, you know, the grates. It's like over the trenches before they're still working on this part of the road. And we'll come over here. We'll take a look northbound real quick and show you how they have like this going northbound. It's like it's down to one lane right there besides MGM Grand. How the traffic gets backed up there. After 67 years, a lot of stuff to clear out, huh? To get ready for the leveling of everything. I bet they would sell this thing. Probably just one piece as it is. Yeah, liquidators would probably sell it if you're looking for a unique piece for your backyard or whatever, you know. All right, everybody, I think that's going to do it for this video today. I appreciate you joining me. I'm Lone Wolf Rick. Please leave me a thumbs up. Helps our video out. It helps keep it visible in the YouTube universe there. You know, any interaction I think I can get's appreciated. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And I have posted over the last few years, over 3,300 videos now are up on the channel. Alrighty, everybody. Thank you very much. Y'all take care. Hey, stay healthy, okay? And I'll see y'all in the next video. Hey, bye-bye, everybody.